Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something really cool for all you Apple Watch Ultra owners, or those of you thinking about picking one up. We're taking a close look at the EPANO carbon fiber Refit watch case cover with a fluorine rubber watch strap. This is a complete modification kit that promises to give your Ultra a serious style upgrade. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality. The carbon fiber case has a really nice texture, and it feels substantial without being bulky. It's definitely got that premium feel you'd expect. The fluorine rubber strap is also impressive. It's soft and flexible, yet it seems incredibly durable. It's got this subtle, sporty look that I really dig. Now, let's talk about installation. Getting the case on is surprisingly easy. It snaps right into place and fits snugly around the watch body. There's no wiggle or looseness at all. The cutouts for the buttons, crown, and sensors are precise, so everything remains fully functional. The strap is also a breeze to attach. It uses a standard quick-release mechanism, so you can swap it out with other bands if you want. Once it's all set up, the transformation is pretty dramatic. The carbon fiber case adds a touch of rugged sophistication to the Ultra. It definitely elevates the overall look and feel. The fluorine rubber strap complements the case perfectly, creating a cohesive and stylish aesthetic. It's comfortable to wear, even during workouts, and it seems to handle sweat and moisture really well. Now, the big question, is it worth the upgrade? If you're looking to personalize your Apple Watch Ultra and give it a more premium, sporty vibe, then I'd say absolutely. This kit offers a great combination of style, durability, and functionality. The carbon fiber adds a touch of class, while the fluorine rubber strap provides comfort and practicality. It's a fantastic way to make your Ultra stand out from the crowd. One thing I particularly appreciate is how the case doesn't interfere with the watch's functionality. The buttons are still easy to press, the crown rotates smoothly, and the sensors work flawlessly. It's like the case isn't even there, except for the added protection and style it provides. Of course, no product is perfect. One minor drawback is that the carbon fiber case might add a tiny bit of bulk to the watch. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to be aware of if you prefer a super slim profile. Also, the price point might be a bit high for some, but considering the quality of the materials and the overall design, I think it's justified. Overall, the EPANO carbon fiber Refit watch case cover with fluorine rubber watch strap is a fantastic upgrade for the Apple Watch Ultra. It's a well-made, stylish, and functional accessory that will definitely turn heads. If you're looking to give your Ultra a unique and premium look, I highly recommend checking this kit out. Let me know in the comments what you think of this setup. And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.